This fall, it's not just your outfit that should make a statement. It's your nails too. From haunting metallics to cozy pumpkin glam, this year's Halloween nail trends are where spooky meets sophistication. Welcome to Brain Boosters, where we reveal the most luxurious and creative trends for the season. Here are the 10 most stunning fall Halloween nail ideas of 2025's Spooky-Chic and absolutely unforgettable. Fall Halloween Nails Ideas, 2025. Spooky-Chic and Trendy. Bloody Chrome French. Let's begin with the dramatic Bloody Chrome French, a twist on the timeless French manicure. Imagine sharp metallic red tips over glossy black or deep burgundy nails, like molten lava meeting midnight elegance. This design embodies power, confidence, and mystery. Perfect for anyone who loves a bold gothic edge. Pair it with a statement ring or a leather outfit, and you'll own every Halloween party you walk into. Ghosted Aura Nails, soft, supernatural, and stylish. If you prefer something dreamy yet supernatural, Ghosted Aura Nails are your pick. Think milky white or translucent bases with misty gradients of silver and lilac. They look like whispers of a ghost. Soft, elegant, and magical. These nails are perfect for those who love subtle beauty with a hint of the paranormal. Pumpkin Spice Glam. Cozy Autumn Energy. Fall isn't complete without pumpkin spice, and now it's on your nails. Pumpkin Spice Glam brings warm, cozy tones of burnt orange, caramel, and gold shimmer. Add tiny leaf patterns or golden outlines for a touch of luxury. It's not spooky, it's comforting, cozy, and gives pure autumn goddess energy. Vampire Lace. Dark romance for Halloween nights. Dark romance never goes out of style. Vampire lace nails blend black lace designs over crimson or maroon polish, seductive and mysterious. Think of gothic ballrooms, candlelight, and whispers of forbidden love. This look is made for anyone who adores vintage drama with modern finesse. Spider Silk Minimalism, elegant and eerie. Not every spooky design needs to be loud. Spider Silk Minimalism is all about elegance and subtlety. A nude or translucent base with fine silver or black web detailing. So delicate it feels like wearable art. This trend is perfect for minimalists who want to celebrate Halloween without going over the top. Cursed Chrome Flames Futuristic Fire. Now for something bold and otherworldly. Cursed Chrome Flames. Imagine molten silver and holographic flames licking through dark polish. It's futuristic, fierce, and looks straight out of a cyber Halloween fantasy. These nails glow under light and capture attention instantly. Pure drama, pure power, or Haunted French Illusion, smoky and sophisticated. The French manicure gets a haunting twist in 2025. Haunted French Illusion mixes smoky gray tips with translucent black bases, creating a mysterious gradient. It's spooky, yes, but deeply sophisticated, the kind of design that makes people look twice. Pair this look with dark satin outfits or silver jewelry for an ethereal vibe. Witchy Metallic Mix, celestial and chic. If you're into celestial energy and a little witchcraft aesthetic, this one's for you. Witchy Metallic Mix combines deep purples, navy blues, and golden star accents. Each nail feels like a spell, mysterious, divine, and powerfully feminine. It's the perfect design for moonlit nights and Halloween rituals in style. Candy Horror Pop. Cute, but creepy. Now let's turn spooky into something sweet. Candy Horror Pop. Think pastel pinks and neon greens, mixed with tiny ghost or candy designs. It's playful, ironic, and perfect for anyone who loves Halloween without the dark vibes. This trend proves that horror can be adorable too. Misty Graveyard Gradient, Eerie Elegance. And finally, the Misty Graveyard Gradient, the trend that's both eerie and elegant. A fog-like gradient from gray to black, with a soft matte finish. It feels like a mist rolling through an old cemetery. Calm, mysterious, and beautifully haunting. Simple, but full of atmosphere. A masterpiece for Halloween minimalists. From gothic chrome to celestial metallics, Fall 2025 is all about expressing your mood. Mysterious, bold, or cozy. These Halloween nail trends prove that spooky can be luxurious. So whether you choose bloody chrome French or pumpkin spice glam, remember your nails are more than decoration. They're your story this season. Which one will you try first?